I'm gonna go hiking to the Rhino Rock with my friend. And I'm gonna have to go to take the ferry, which I'm really excited because I haven't took it as like a transport to go somewhere, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go to Saiwanho ferry, and then I'm gonna go to meet my friend in Saiwanho MTR, and then we're gonna go to Rhino Rock, which is in Stanley. And I'm really excited. I haven't done hiking for so long, so I hopefully can do okay. I mean, I did cycling yesterday, so it should be fine. Yeah. Anyways. Okay. Hello. Oi, oi, oi. Right. All right. Whoa, so cool! There we go. So now we are seeing the rhino. Look at this rhino. It's a very cute rhino, I'll be honest. Yeah. And we're here. It was not a bad hike. It was a pretty easy hike. And there are lots of people here. And yeah. Rhino! This lady is so brave. Whoa. Whoa. I don't think I could ever climb there. Oh my god. Rhino! Wow!
Dapat kinuha niya yung ano, meron yung parang stick dyan eh, yung parang may
So cool! Wow! Now we're gonna go back to the city of Stanley Market, and we're gonna have shut up! I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Okay, Jesus. Yeah, we're gonna go to Stanley Market and have some food because we're freaking hungry. So, yes.